Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's October 13th, 2023. I'm back over on the new property today, doing some work over here, and just wanted to show you, give you an update on how things are looking. The old horse run-ins were up in that area, just this side of that oak tree there. Before I had dug the large hugelkultur pit right over in here, right there rather, and piled all the dirt in this location, and I brought a lot of it up there to fill in low spots. I had dug out a lot of the soft manure-ridden soil out of that area where that is and put it up closer to the property border up there. I did a little bit of smoothing out today. The other thing I did do yesterday was I came down and I used Elon, the Takushi TB290 excavator, to go ahead and rough out a swale here. So this is a swale, curls up there at the end, pretty much straightens out, and then goes down here into feeding the pond here. That pipe is a drain from the foundation of the house, so that'll feed into there as well. There's a possibility that some water will try and make its way over in that direction. We'll have to see in the springtime how things are, so I may have to do a Y for swales. So in other words, catch anything that misses the beginning of the swale. I took some of the dirt and I started working it up along in the property line. So this year I'll just be able to do phase one of roughing things out. So there's lots of rocks, you know, football size, basketball size in here, and that keeps me from doing my first phase of roughing things out. So I need to come over with Mini Me with a grapple on it. So Mini Me is a Kubota B2601, small little compact tractor, but I got a Land Pride made by Kubota, grapple on it, and I can come over and grab some of these, and they're just all over in the place here. This is really bony ground, but those rocks, the larger rocks, they prevent me from doing my really nice roughing out. Then next spring I can come over and work it more and make it much more smoother, more enjoyable if you were to mow it around in here. There's lots of sod that's quite thick over there yet. When I say the sod is bunched up between the wheels of between the tracks of the excavator and all. So I've gotten most of that taken care of in here. Got a little more to do there. I got some more fill to do, but I'm going to leave some dirt piles here until next year to deal with things. There's all different cavitations in the surface of the property all along in here. So I'm going to be using a lot of that fill over there just to smooth things out so one can walk around in here. Then I'll strategically place boulders all around the pond area for sitting areas, you know, in the future. And I've got a couple of the boulders sitting over there, but there's a whole bunch here I can release from the stone wall. But yeah, I'll show you where the other building was, which I'm got to go remove the metal roof now. Swing set, brush piles, and material all over here. Next year I'll work on this area. So this is the roof to a building that was sitting right here, a small run-in for the horses. So I'll clean up this area. I could see I still have another, not sure what this pipe was for. Maybe it was for holding down the railroad ties. But I'll salvage all of this metal. Then the rest of the wood I'll put over there in the hugelkultur pit, but you can see, save the topsoil there and save the subsoil there. And I'll deposit a whole bunch of the rocks over in here next. So that's what I've been up to. I'm a little tuckered. I want to finish this job up over here until next year when I'm rejuvenated and I can get back to some of the things I need to do at the homestead back home. We need to get ready for winter, and I'm feeling a bit frustrated that I'm not making enough progress. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you all. As always, stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye bye now.